Hello everyone, myself Siddharth from Dushtant and Forward. I am back here with another video. So today in this video I am going to teach you how to import data from an Excel to Tally. As we all know, Excel is very user friendly and popular software. Many people around us are using Excel very comfortably. And believe me, there is no need training to use Excel. But anyways, today I want to show you if you are an Excel lover and also using Tally software, then we guys have a useful solution for you. Imagine we have thousands of master records for accounting ledger and we want to import them to Tally, or just in case if we don't know how to create a masters in Tally, then don't need to worry. I have designed an exclusive Excel template. We just have to fill the details, whatever details we want to import in Tally. So let me show you how. First of all, I am at the gateway of a Tally. Here we have just created a company. No ledgers, nothing has been inserted. First of all, let me teach you how. Let's say I want to import this Excel file to my Tally software. As you guys can see, I have entered the two ledgers Mahindra and Siddharth. So first of all, we will go to Tally. We will press Alt, Control and T all together. On the right hand side, we can see F4 or Manage Local TDLs. Simply click on that. Here local selected TDL file startup. We have to select yes, then enter. Over here the main thing comes. We have to specify the path of our TCP file. I have already selected the path. So simply enter and load TDL yes. As you guys can see over here, my TCP file has been loaded. So we'll go back to the gateway for Tally, and here one more additional option is shown to the screen, ledger import. Simply click on that, and here we have to put an Excel sheet path which we want to import from Excel. Let's say this is my Excel sheet and this is my path. I will copy over here and will simply paste over here. After pasting the Excel sheet, we just have to put our file name dot xlsx, enter, and my Excel sheet has been copied over here. The ledgers, all the software, all the masters of our Excel sheet has been copied over here. So you guys can see ledger of Mahindra Singh Rana, ledger of Siddharth, all ledgers has been directly imported to Tally. Thank you.